But so we're going to do this. This is the type of insulation check which you'll be doing when you're doing an initial verification. When we're doing the initial verification, there shouldn't be any sensitive loads on the circuit that could be damaged by using the 500 volt test. But remember from the discussions earlier that we would always start by doing a 250 volt test, and that will show you whether you've got anything on the circuit that you weren't expecting. And if you get readings like you might possibly get about a quarter of a megohm reading, what might that indicate that you've got left on the circuit? Neon lights. So you may have something in there with a neon light on it, and that will give you that low resistance. So you're going to do the checks then. First check you're going to do is between the live and the CPC. Then it's neutral down to the CPC, and the third one is live and neutral down to the CPC. And the required minimum resistance is therefore 1 meg, but in reality, this being a new install, what would you really expect to see? Hopefully, if you've got a 999 meter, you would hope to get greater than 999.
For the new installation, it's not 3 meg.
This is for a new installation because there should be no reason why the cable is leaking. If you were to get a couple of 100 megs possibly on new cable, what might cause that in the new building? Something is going to be causing a partial short across the end of the wiring. This is a new building, just been plastered. Moisture coming from the plaster, that's right. So if you know it's recently been plastered and you're getting a reading of a few megohms on there, it's entirely possible it's caused by water getting into the back box. It comes out of the plaster while it's drying. The only fix you've got for that is you can accept, yeah, I can't see any reason for that other than I know the wall is a bit damp. It's well over 1 meg, so I can pass it and hope that when you come back and do the final testing, a quick recheck then, and you'll see it's gone back up to 999 because it's all dried out.